Hey guys, Lee here. We are going to look at gold and silver and take an update on the charts here and see where we are in these markets. I'm doing this update on Friday. It is the 17th of October. We are in trailing stop mode here with gold, guys. I tried a little short on gold at the start of the week. That didn't work out, and never fight this trend. I mean, gold has a tendency to extend even higher than stocks and indices and other commodities. Gold can really take off, and we've certainly seen the bullish side of gold recently, and also silver. We'll take a look at that chart in 1 second. So you can see we had buy signals back in August and it's gone green, and this is the daily chart, by the way. There is not one single red candlestick in this whole move. Not one. Incredible. Very rarely do you see that. When it turns red, exit the trade on the pro trading system, on our system here. We haven't had one. It's incredible. Now we're turning on, of course, the trading stop feature. It's telling us at 42,444 here, 4,244. We've blown targets out the water, and I was looking for initial target above that 4,009, and we've just blown through that. We're trading at 4,311. So as we start to accelerate this move even higher, we're going to get very far away from our tracks here. The third track is the danger one, really. If we do extend away from that third track, it's going to slam back down here. But I wish I could turn around to you guys. Well, I wish I could turn around to myself and just say I took the whole of this move, because I didn't. And I mean, what a fantastic move it has been. I've been in stocks that have been long on gold. They've done well on gold stocks, but you know, the actual commodity itself here has been on an absolute tear. I'm getting emails from brokers warning about whether our clients are leveraged too much on gold, maybe ETFs. Be careful, guys. Manage your trading stops. I think when this does flush out gold, it could be extremely volatile to the downside. Anyway, so let's just watch. Anything that pushes really fast away from these tracks and goes vertical, then watch out. I would certainly be banking profits if I was still in this or in this trade. Let's take a little look at the weekly time frame. We do have a projected target up here of 4529. It could get there. It could get there, guys. It's been incredible on the weekly time frame. This trend, I mean, even on the monthly chart, if you take a little look at that, I mean, back in July 2024, 2023 here, we got buy signals on the monthly time frame. It's not the start of the trend. I certainly know that. We're probably coming to nearer the end of the trend than the start of the trend, i.e. in this wave 3. And I think this is a wave 3. So what I think could happen here is that, let's just count this as 1, 2, this being a 3. We pull back in a 4, and we could go again in a 5 here, reaching the highs of 4,500, 4,700 range. That could be very interesting, and that fits quite nicely, that pattern of 5 waves up and a pullback, because wave 3s are always the strongest waves, never the shortest waves, and that is a strong wave. All right, so next pullback might have a little nibble on this, but we'll see how big the pullback and how aggressive. It's going to be important how aggressive this pullback is going to be when it does happen. All right, so let's take a little look at silver. So remember, on the last update I did here, we were just below this previous band of 2011. Well, we've just blown straight through that. We do have a target of 55.06 here. It could well have hit that today, just shy of it. It doesn't always hit it exactly, the system's targets, but we could be just shy of that. But that looks like it's met that objective to reach that profit target. But once again, just a very nice on the monthly chart, 1, 2, and this is 3, 4, and a possible 5. I mean, that is a big time ahead, guys. That's a monthly time frame. On the daily chart here, parabolic. Okay, parabolic. Storyteller indicator extremely high up here. Cautious bull if you are in positions. Don't get complacent with this move. Don't get too greedy with this move. Manage the trade. If you've got let's say you've got a position in here somewhere, then you're obviously not taking all the move. What I would do, personally, this is how I would play it, I'll be getting that stop right up high. Because if it does pull back, you bank this profit here with inside this box. Okay, you bank this profit here. And if it does come back down, you can get back in again, can't you? You've banked that. It's realized profits. At the moment, with the position open, or with any position open here on gold or silver, it's unrealized profits. It could easily come back and stop you out. So it's important here you manage your risk on these trades now. Manage your position if you are long this market. All right. Yeah. So just the final sort of line here on this video, really, just say, we are closer to the end of this wave than to the start of it. And if I was long this market, I personally would be making sure I'm trailing my profitable stop loss order literally right up, which I'm doing in my stocks. Okay. So that's it, guys. Hope it helps. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll keep you updated on gold and silver over the coming days and weeks, and see when there's other opportunities in this market. Subscribe to the channel. Give us a like, guys. And if you've made some really nice moves here on gold and you've got in this trade, let us know and congratulate yourself, because that's an incredible move and a brilliant trade that you've done. Speak to you soon. Take care.